पाक स्टडीज़ के सिलसिले में एमसीक्यूज़ की ये बहुत अहम वीडियो है जो कि तमाम पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, केपीपीएससी, एसपीएससी, एनटीएस, पीटीएस एट्सेट्रा तमाम इम्तहानात के लिए इक्वली फ़ायदेमंद है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज़ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग वाज फाउंड? इट्स आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन सी, ढाका। Next question, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Its answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Next question, who was the first president of All India Muslim League? Its answer is option A, Sir Aga Khan. Next question, in which year Aligarh Trustship Bill was passed? Its answer is option D, 1889. Next question, in which year Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani died? Its answer is option C, 1897. Next question, who was which pass connects Pakistan and Afghanistan? Its answer is option B, Khyber Pass. Next question, the highest peak of Salt Range is? Its answer is option B, Skesar. Next question, which mountain range is located in Sindh province? Its answer is option C, Kirathar range. Next question, Pakistan conduct nuclear tests on 28th May 1998 at? Its answer is option B, Chagi Hills. Next question, what is the total area of Punjab province is? Its answer is option D. Option D is correct. Next question, the Kashful Mahjoob was written by? Its answer is option A, Hazrat Ali Ajweri. Next question, who reviewed the famous book The Indian Mussalmans in 1872? Its answer is option A, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।